Hello friends, today I am going to show you Sprig tempered glass for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So you might have seen my video for the Sprig tempered glass for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. As you can see here, I'm using it. And since the day I had installed the tempered glass, while making that video, till this day I am using this tempered glass till now. And as you can see, there is no scratches or anything on the glass, but on top you can see here the glass is automatically getting removed. I don't know why. What is the issue? I don't know. Speaking, if you're watching, do make it a note that this tempered glass has some issue. Do note, my friends, if this kinds of issues you are also facing, then for that reason I had got another tempered glass from Sprig. These guys are also making a good tempered glass. If you have seen my last video, then you have seen the tempered glass installation for my ROG Phone 5. As you can see here, this is the tempered glass, the Sprig tempered glass, and the quality of the glass is really nice, and the touch feel and everything is really good. I'm playing games on this phone and I don't feel any different whether touching the screen itself directly or touching the tempered glass directly. Okay, well, that's all, my friends. Let's not waste the time, and let's open this up and install this tempered glass on this phone. As always, my friends, always remember to clean the whole desk and clean your whole area before and do remember to wash your hands, and if you have not, then use some spirit to clean off all the dust that you have on your hands. Clean it perfectly and then you start your installation, or else you will get dust particles under the display. Okay, let's open this up. So as you can see here, it is a totally sealed pack. Here. So inside the box, as you can see, it is mentioned here on the top of the box, Sprig clear tempered glass for Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus mobile. It costs $999, but if you buy it from Flipkart or directly from the Sprig website, you can get this product for around 500 rupees or 600 rupees. Okay, so there is no seal or anything, it just opens in this way. So inside the box we get one full installation kit here. This kit has all the necessary things that we need, and the tempered glass itself. As you can see here, this is the tempered glass. So I'm not removing it out because I will put dust inside there. So let's open this and check this out. So inside the installation kit we are getting one squeezy, as usual, one squeezy here, and one cloth. Anything else inside the box? Nothing else. One received damaged product, what to do, need installation help. This is a Sprig thank you card, and we get one cleaning wipe. This is welcome to Sprig how to installation guide. This is a very good thing, and some stickers to remove the dust particles after using the cleaning wipe. So why wait, my friends, let's start. So as always, we will first remove the old tempered glass that we have here, and then let's see if it is gets stuck. No, the tempered glass has an issue, so let's remove this. Before installing the new tempered glass, I will show you something, my friends. This Sprig tempered glass has a very big issue. The adhesive is not on the glass itself. They have installed a very thin layer of plastic. As you can see, I will remove it and I'll show you. See, here is the issue. So basically, as you can see, I'm able to tear it up. Yes, as you can see here. See, so basically this is this sticker that is getting having the adhesive to connected, having the adhesives to install on the tempered glass. But this, without this adhesive, I don't think this tempered glass will be installed on there. But mostly all of the tempered glass manufacturers, they don't use this. They basically give the adhesives on top of the glass itself. But I don't know this Sprig and why they are doing this. Is this is a very cheap kind of thing. I don't understand why. But in this tempered glass, my friends, I was very easily able to use the fingerprint sensor. But let's hope for the best and see what we get with the new tempered glass from Sprig. So first of all, turn off all your fans, and if you have AC turned on, you have to turn that off too. And because if any of the air is moving in the room where you are doing this, I will suggest you to turn that off, because that will make a very big problem while doing this, because the dust particles will be moving here and there, and it will go here and it will stay under the tempered glass itself, between your screen and the tempered glass. So for perfect installation, my friends, I will advise you turn off fans, ACs and everything, and do remember to do this process while at night. Night time is a very good time, because you don't have any disturbance and anything. And after installation, you no need to use the phone. You can just keep the phone, and the phone will stay the whole night. And in the morning, fresh, you will be having the phone totally with a very perfect finish and everything. So I think the adhesive that Sprig is using, it is a very low quality, because I can see the adhesive on my screen. So I have to give a deep clean, my friends. So I have to skip a part, and we will continue again. So as you can see, I have given it a thorough clean, and after cleaning it perfectly, now we can see the display is totally clean. But you can see here there are some spot particles. For that we have to use a bit strong alcohol, because this alcohol couldn't remove the remaining adhesive on the screen. So for that reason I have to get another spirit. So I have this cleaning screen lens cleaner. So I will use this, because I think this has a bit wet in it. Yes, this has much more wet in it, and it will help me to remove this adhesive that is on top of the screen. So as you can see, after giving a thorough clean, the display is now totally clean here, totally clear. So after we get this cleaning done, you have to use the stickers to remove any of the dusts that we have on top of the display. Okay, so we have this sticker. We will use this to remove any of the dust particles that we have on top of the display. So it is better to turn off the phone, my friends. It's better you should turn off the phone, because it will be easier for you to install it, and you don't have any kind of disturbance while doing it. And this video will be a bit long, because you know all of my installations videos are detailed videos, and I don't make any cuts or anything, so that you get the clear idea what you are getting. So as you can see, I'm giving a second round of dust removing sticker, because I'm unsure about any of the dust particles on the display, because this display is so dark that we are unable to see any of the dust particles. There are some dust particles that we are able to see, but it is really difficult. So you need to be very careful while doing this, my friends. So I think the display is totally clean now. We will now take the tempered glass out from here. As you can see here, this is the tempered glass, and I'm removing it out. So as you can see here, this is the tempered glass. We get the cutout for the camera itself, front camera, and we have the adhesive side on below. We will remove it and just install it on top of the display. As you can see, it has having a slight flexible mode on it, so I think it is better quality as compared to the Sprig one. So the display is totally clean. We will remove this, my friends. Just align it perfectly on top of the display. Be very careful about this part, because you need to first align the camera and then you need to go for other things. Okay, so I keep the display on to get the perfect installation, because it gives me idea where I'm installing the displays and where is the tempered glass going on. So if you turn off the display, so it will be a bit confusing, because the display is totally dark, as I told you, my friends, earlier. So it is taking me a bit time to align it. So as you can see, my friends, I have aligned it. Now just I'm giving a push, so it will get adhered. So I think tempered glass, as you can see, there are some air bubbles, so we will use this squeezy that we had earlier to squeeze out some of the air bubbles. So use this very smoothly and gently. I hope so this tempered glass gives me a very good fit, because I had a lot of hopes on the Sprig one, but my friends, I was very heartbroken after the tempered glass got removed automatically after a few months of uses. So that is a very bad thing. I don't like that. In this range, this shouldn't happen, you know. So this is the way we have to do it. So as you can see, I'm pushing out all the air bubbles out of the tempered glass itself. If you feel that you are unable to do it, you can use your nails to push those out, and it will be easier, because it just needs that all the air bubbles go out of the display. So after it is done, use this wipe to clean it perfectly, and we will check first of what we get with the fingerprint sensor. Okay, that is our first concern. Fingerprint sensor is our first concern. Let's see. So we do have the phone unlocked. We need to unlock it, and no, the fingerprint sensor is not working. Oh yes, it is working. I think this finger is not working, but I suppose yes, it is working fine, as you can see here. So let me lock it again, and yes, it is working fine. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. As you can see, the display is tempered glass is protecting the display very perfectly. We do have the camera cutout for this particular tempered glass, and it has installed very perfectly on my phone. I will give you a later on info if I feel if I get any kind of distortions, or the tempered glass comes up like the Sprig one. So if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.